Induction cooking is changing the way people cook at home. Faster, safer, and smarter. In this video, I'll break down the top reasons why switching to induction just makes sense. Our first major benefit to induction is the speed of faster cooking and the efficiency that comes along with it. Induction technology is quite interesting. Induction cooking itself uses magnetic energy to directly heat your cookware instead of the cooking surface. The induction process transfers energy directly into the pan instead of heating the air around it. And out of the many ways to prepare a meal, this makes it one of the fastest cooking technologies available. Induction in itself is very balanced. You have the high heat, which is great for high temperature cooking like searing, stir fry, and boiling water in nearly half the time of gas or electric radiant. And if you want to take it down a bit, induction is excellent for slow, low temperature cooking because it offers precise, consistent heat control, allowing you to hold a gentle simmer or keep food warm for hours without fluctuations. And when it comes to energy efficiency, induction utilizes 90% of the energy, while other forms of cooking, such as electric radiant and gas, simply fall short. Induction allows users to maintain precise temperature control. Induction cooking truly reacts instantly when you adjust the settings without fail. Turn it down and the heat drops immediately. And there are two different types of control panels for induction for both ranges and cooktops. The first is touchscreens and touch sliders. They're sleek and modern and they're easy to wipe clean. Many models let you drag your finger across for quick adjustments, or you can tap for precise settings. And then next you'll have physical knobs. They'll provide more of a traditional tactile feel that some cooks prefer, especially if you're coming from gas. And this is great for fine adjustments while you're multitasking. The safety of induction is another deciding factor for many, especially for families and other niche groups who may want to cook with a special peace of mind. The cooking surface itself doesn't heat up much, it only warms from the pan. This reduces accidental burns compared to gas flames or glowing electric coils. However, it is still recommended not to touch the surface, as the cooking area itself can still be uncomfortable to the touch. Induction is a great option for families with kids or busy kitchens where spills can happen. Many induction appliances have built-in sensors on board that shut the burner off automatically if the cookware is removed or if the temperature gets too hot for too long. And there is no open flame, so no gas leaks for an overall safer cooking experience. Lastly, we have the easy cleanup process for when we are all done cooking. Induction cooktops are smooth, flat glass surfaces that wipe down easily. You don't have to deal with burner grates or pulling up the griddles. Because the surface doesn't get extremely hot, spills aren't going to burn onto it. And a quick wipe with a damp cloth or sponge usually does the trick if cleaned regularly. If you don't clean it regularly, the tough side of a sponge and some elbow grease can get the job done. And we've noticed that cleanup is often faster than the cooking itself. And if you're thinking about the design elements to induction, there are so many brands offering so many looks for the modern kitchen. Induction cooktops and ranges have glass-topped designs that fit perfectly into modern kitchens, whether you're looking for more of a modern design or traditional. They pair well with contemporary cabinetry, whether you want to go fully flush with the cooktop, with the countertop, or you can have it stand proud with the other high-end appliances in your kitchen. Many models offer advanced features like bridging burners, griddles, auto-sizing zones that adapt to pan size, and built-in timers. Some even include app connectivity or guided cooking features too. It's both a stylish and functional upgrade for any kitchen. While induction may not be the right fit for every cook, but as kitchen design and technology evolve, it's becoming increasingly popular and is expected to keep growing well into the future. Thanks for watching our video. Be sure to like and subscribe to our channel for all things appliances.